Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about beautiful hairstyle ideas for women over 60. Age is just a number and every woman can look stylish and confident. At any age of life, the right hairstyle can make you look fresh, elegant and comfortable. As we grow older, our hair may become thinner or change in texture. That is why it is important to choose hairstyles that are easy to manage and look natural. Simple and soft hairstyles often work best because they give a graceful and neat appearance. One popular hairstyle for women over 60 is the short bob haircut. The bob is a classic style that never goes out of fashion. It usually falls around the chin and frames the face beautifully. A short bob is easy to manage and looks neat and elegant every day. Another great option is the pixie haircut. The pixie cut is short, stylish and very easy to maintain. Many women over 60 choose this haircut because it saves time and still looks modern. Pixie cuts also highlight your facial features and give a fresh look. The layered short haircut is also a wonderful idea. Layers add movement and volume to the hair. This can be very helpful if your hair feels thin. A layered haircut makes the hair look fuller and more lively. For women who like a little more length, the shoulder length hairstyle is a great choice. This hairstyle looks soft and feminine. You can wear it straight, slightly wavy or tie it into a ponytail. Shoulder length hair is simple, comfortable and easy to style. Another lovely hairstyle is the soft shag haircut. The shag haircut has gentle layers that create a relaxed and natural look. It works well for straight, wavy or slightly curly hair. This style is trendy but still very easy to manage. Women who have natural curls can try a short curly hairstyle. Natural curls can make your hair look lively and full. A short curly haircut looks youthful and does not require a lot of styling. Another elegant idea is a classic short haircut. This style keeps the hair neat and tidy while adding soft layers at volume. It is perfect for everyday wear and requires very little effort. Many women over 60 also choose to embrace their natural grey or silver hair. Grey hair can look very beautiful and stylish. With the right haircut, silver hair can look modern and stylish. Taking care of your hair is also very important. Using gentle shampoo and conditioner can keep your hair healthy and soft. Regular trims will help maintain the shape of your hairstyle. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.